How do you make money as a virtual assistant? That's the question I'm going to be answering today. Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Alicia Avant and I have been a virtual assistant for 16 years. So today we're talking about how to make money as a virtual assistant. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that being a virtual assistant is serving clients with a particular skill set or providing a particular service. It is in the service industry. No, it is not like service in like preparing food or waitressing, that kind of thing, but we are serving our clients by offering a particular skill set or service. Let me give you some example skill sets. So some of those might be email management, for example. You help manage someone's email inbox. Calendar management, you help manage their calendar. Those are more what I consider general admin VA skills or tasks or services. I, on the other hand, do more technical services. So I offer email marketing, I offer social media marketing, I offer WordPress websites. So those are more specialized services. You can charge different price points for different types of services. So how do you make the money? Well, there are 3 different ways that I provide or that I offer my packages. One is hourly. My hourly rate is a lot higher if someone is just purchasing hours based on the task and they want me to do the task and then bill them for the time that it took. So that is a higher hourly rate. Versus I have some clients who are on an hourly package or retainer package where every month I bill them for the same amount of hours. And that is a second way to do this. I highly recommend that, but even more so, the third way is the way that I recommend and the way that I'm moving towards as a business owner. So hourly, you have to keep up with your time. It is very tedious to do that. And you work for that time period. I have my clients pay for that time up front if they're on an hourly retainer package, and it is better than the hourly, doing it by the hour, but it's still not the best option from the VA's perspective. From the perspective of the VA, the best way to, and the most that will provide the best income for us as a VA is a project package. What happens is as you become more and more skilled as a virtual assistant, you get more efficient at your jobs and your skills. And so if you are charging hourly and you're getting more and more efficient, you're starting to lose money because you're fast. So therefore, you're not getting paid for your knowledge and your expertise. You're only getting paid for your time. A lot of times people will call this trading hours for dollars. And that's what I have done for many years. And the faster I've gotten, the more efficient I've gotten. I've not gotten paid more for that. So one of the things that you can do to help offset that is doing a project or package of hours, a package that is not based on how long it takes you, but based on the skills or the service that you provide. So that is more of a project package. I do project packages currently for websites. I do them for social media scheduling packages, and I have a email marketing done for you package that sets up someone that is starting from scratch in email marketing, sets them up a list, helps them create their first lead magnet, and make sure that all of those pieces work together and send the person that signs up for their email list the email that they're supposed to get. So that is a set flat rate, and I'm getting paid for the fact that I know how to do that and make all those pieces work, and I'm not just getting paid for the time that it takes me to do that. So that is how you make money as a virtual assistant, by providing specific services. And those are some of the ways that you can charge for those services. If you have a question about the world of virtual assistants and you want me to answer it, you can always leave it down in the comments below and I will try to make a future video on it. This is wrapping up my series of 7 days. I was doing a challenge to create a video every day for 7 days. I will likely not be publishing a video every day from now on, but we'll be doing videos once a week. So if you'll check back on the channel, hit that subscribe button and it'll let you know when I have a new video for you.